This is a bentwood rocker. That's what the style is called, bentwood. It's a rocking chair. And the seat is all messed up. I put the string in there just so that I could put something on top of it, like a cushion. But I'm going to take this wicker cloth out and put new one in. With the razor knife, I will cut on the outside of the spline and on the inside of the spline. That's this piece of wood that goes around. And then I will dig the spline out. And then it has like a little track all the way around. So I start by doing that. Well, the weaving part's now in a pile on the floor. This spline thing has glued in really well. I'll have to figure out how to get that out. Maybe a screwdriver or something. I have a new spline thing, so it won't matter if this old spline thing is messed up. Whew. Watching the Full Monty and working at getting the last of this cane and stuff out of the seat. It was really glued in there. I'm about halfway done around before I can even think of putting new cane in there. I found to loosen some of the glue, I have to spray some alcohol in the groove. Let it soak in a little bit. Take my chisel and work its... My shoulder's going to be killing me after I'm done with this. This is a lot more work than I anticipated. Now I'm watching La Cage aux Folles in French. And I'm taking this razor knife to clear out the trench. The trench should be nice like this. And at the corners here it's got extra crap in it. This is way much more work than I wanted to do. I'm laying the splining thing in there just to see if it, how much it sticks up or if it does. To fit it all the way around just to see how much more I need to trim it. Or I can start the rest of the process. That's not supposed to happen. Soaking the rattan cloth and the little spline thing for about 15 minutes in warm water to soften it all up. Well, I don't know if this is going to work, but I guess we'll try it. It stinks. And it might just because it's old, has been sitting around for a while. Kind of like old people. They stink because they're old and they've been sitting around for a while. Oh yeah, I think I'm supposed to put glue in the little track first. Yeah, well, I don't know. One guy used school glue, or white glue, or Elmer's glue, or whatever it's called. That jar doesn't want to open it. I have another one though. Boy, I hope this works. Okay, I got this dull but pointed stick. Pointed stick always reminds me of the Monty Python skits. Oh dear, this is going to be a lot harder than I thought. I don't know. To Today's been one of those days where everything's falling on the floor, so boy, oh boy, I don't know. This is going to take some time, I think. I'm rounding the corner and then the back stretch. I'm in the home stretch. I don't know those racing terms. I'm almost done. As done as I'm going to be. I've never done this before and will probably never do it again. It's not that difficult. It's just a pain in the butt. And maybe if it'd be during a time where I felt better, it wouldn't be so bad. Gosh darn it. I'm sweating so much I had to take my shirt off. Hopefully you can't see me. I don't want to gross people out. I have pants on, I just don't have a shirt on because I'm sweating like onions. Oh my god. What a pain in the butt! Come on, you pain in the butt! It's all wrinkly looking. I don't know if it'll tighten up when it dries. With my luck, it probably will not. Come on, you booger. Where's my sledgehammer? Put a bunch of glue on there, maybe. Oh, that's about as done as I'm going to get. I'm done, finished. Oh. I'll probably put some more glue around the edges, let it all dry, and trim the stuff off the edges. And this will be finished. They say you shouldn't sit anything on it, like a person or an animal or anything, for 24 hours. Let it dry and tighten up. So I guess I'll see what it looks like tomorrow. I have it sitting like this overnight so the cat doesn't get up on top of it, so it can dry properly. Damn it. It's starting to come apart. I'm about ready to cut this up and throw it away. I've had it. Oh, that's a lot of work. Do I want to even try to fix it? I don't feel good. I don't have a fever, but I feel like I do. Oh, this is aggravating. I'm preparing this room. I don't know if they'll be bringing the table in or just to the garage. But today's the day for delivery of the dining table. Cat's in the window. 38 degrees outside today so far. Just got a call from St. Vincent de Paul and they're loading up the table on the truck. And they should be here within the hour. Here comes the truck. Are you gonna listen to every Tom, Dick, and... I have to take the legs off. I couldn't get it in the house. It's heavy because it has this leaf. And I try getting it out, but I don't know if it's part of the table and it opens without coming out of this pocket. It has latches. It's heavy. It's a heavy, heavy duty table. Legs off. Can't get that part out. Maybe there's a way I can, but I'm gonna have to find something to slide this across the front porch and in through to the house. I've slid the table as carefully as I could on this cloth. I inched it over here. I have it on the mat. There's another mat and a rug. And then the carpet. The lane next to me, the lady there, there's 2 car lengths at least between her and the guy here in front. That's St. Louis driving for you. Stupid. It's a really nice day. It's warmed up to 40 or something. I mean, it seems really nice compared to what we've had. Wow, my face looks really round. Yeah, I'm coming to the hardware store and the grocery store to get a couple things. I just needed a break. Go home and put the table together, clean it all up. I don't know what Thrall thinks of it yet. We'll find out. Well, I can't say I'm not disappointed. I did find the other piece of rattan fabric that I have. I may try it again tomorrow. And if I try it again, I'm going to clamp around the edges so that it will stay in place. Yeah, I know, the desk is messy. I've got all kinds of crap on there. The Formica is wearing off and it's got particle board underneath. So I bought a very small can of lacquer paint and I'm going to try painting it probably tomorrow. Tomorrow, not today. That's what all lazy people say. From the grocery store I bought, they had some kind of Cheetos things. They didn't have the kind I liked. They had Cheetos shaped in the shape of cat paws. They're more floofy than they are crunchy. I like the crunchy ones. And what else? Some potatoes, because I'm going to be making various soups and chilies. I have some beans. So I'm going to line up a week's worth of food, prepare that also in the next couple days, so that I can get some more stuff done around here. Put the legs on that table, clean it all up. That'll be done. And then after all this other stuff, then we can begin on that puzzle on that table. Hopefully. Table's very heavy. Okay, well. The Russians are coming. The Russians are coming's on TV, so I'm going to go in there. I'm heading off to bed. I'm really tired. I feel kind of half sick. Started having a panic attack. I think it's mostly physical and partly emotional, but mostly physical. When you don't feel good, you start panicking, you know? Oh, it's something. If it's not one thing, it's another thing, right? Well, I'm going to turn in now. Turn into what? Turn into what? Do. Upward and onward.